In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can unnest a sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have a nested sequence here. If you're not sure what a nested sequence is, I have another tutorial on that one, which I'll link in the top right of this video. But I have a nested sequence here. I'm going to right click it and say reveal in project. As you can see here, I have my unnesting sequence. Now what I can do to unnest this nested sequence is first go on top here in this tool window and deselect the insert and overwrite sequences as nests or individual clips. And when I've done that, when I drag this nesting sequence into my current project, it will get everything out of that nested sequence. So now I have all my items which are in this unnesting sequence. If I double click it, you can see these are all the items which have been nested, and if I then deselect the insert and overwrite sequences and drag this nesting sequence into my project, it will take all the items inside of that sequence and paste them separately. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.